Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs. We hope your journey of setting up your new business in New York is going well. Did you know that as per the National Small Business Association, about 69% of U.S. entrepreneurs start their businesses at home, and you might be one of them. Now, you might have already chosen to structure your business as an LLC or Limited Liability Company. It's a great choice. It provides you with liability protection like a corporation, but with fewer formalities. But in New York, there's a unique step you need to take. It's called the New York LLC Publication Requirement. Before we go over the basics of the requirement, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Here's how the New York LLC Publication Requirement works. Within 120 days of your LLC formation, you're required to publish a copy of your Articles of Organization or a notice related to the formation of your LLC in 2 newspapers, one daily and one weekly, in the county where your LLC is located. It's crucial, or else your business could be suspended. Once done, you'll receive an affidavit of publication from each newspaper. You'll need to file these along with a certificate of publication to the New York Department of State and pay a fee of $50. This publication requirement might seem old-fashioned, but it's the law. According to the U.S. Small Business Administration, there are around 2.2 million small businesses in New York. Each LLC among them has gone through this process. Now, we know this might seem overwhelming, but hey, you're starting a business and that's never easy. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, about 20% of small businesses fail within their first year. Don't let your LLC be one of them just because you missed out on this requirement. For help complying with the New York LLC publication requirement, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion about the New York LLC publication requirement? Does this government regulation make sense to you or seem unnecessary? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.